Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Dikshit and you're watching your favorite channel Corpbiz. Today in this video, the topic of our discussion will be NSIC registration. First of all, we'll cover what is NSIC, what is NSIC registration, what is the eligibility criteria if you are going for the NSIC registration, what is the document required, what is the whole registration procedure and what is the validity period. We will be talking about all these things during our video. So let's begin. NSIC registration. NSIC stands for National Small Industrial Corporation Limited. It's a Mini Ratna public sector undertaking established by the Government of India in the year 1955 to promote and develop the growth of micro, small industries, enterprises within the country. So, if we talk about the NSIC purpose, then its aim is to foster, means to boost the growth of the small scale enterprises in India. Now let's talk about the NSIC goal. The NSIC basically help in growth, means to foster the growth of the MSME operation through various schemes such as single point registration, marketing support, MSME data bank and credit rating scheme for SME. Eligibility criteria for NSIC registration. So, for eligibility criteria, the applicant must be of micro and small enterprise with a valid Udyog Memorandum and the applicant of a small enterprise who has incurred the commercial production with 1 year or less can apply for the provisional NSIC registration with the validity of 1 year. Benefit of getting single point registration under NSIC. Benefit of getting single point registration under NSIC, the first benefit is free cost of tender. The second benefit is exemption from the payment of EMD, means earnest money deposit, and the third benefit is at least 25% of the annual purchase made by the central ministers, public sector undertaking or government department shall be delivered from MSME, out of which 3% shall be procured from the unit owned by a woman entrepreneur and 4% shall be procured from the unit owned by SC/ST. Documents required for online NSIC registration. So if you're going for the NSIC registration, the document procedure must also be clear to you, means the type of documents which are required at the time of submission, means what type of document you will be carrying with you while attaching when you're applying for the application process, which are as follows. Documents required for online NSIC registration: PAN card, Udyog registration, complete detail of plant and machinery installed, in case of partnership firm, partnership deed, in case of trust, a trust deed, self-attested supporting document of ownership, declaration from director concerning non-connection with any large-scale unit, bank report describing the financial position of the applicant, complete list of raw material, finished good or in-process good, audited financial statement of the preceding year, BIS license if applicable, ISO 9000 optional requirement, detail about the quality control equipment installed in the factory, detail of the manpower including techniques employed in the manufacturing department, and a copy of latest electricity bill of the premises. NSIC registration process. Enterprises engaged in manufacturing or the service provider registered under MSME or having a Udyog registration are eligible to register themselves under the NSIC registration. For that, the MSME has to visit the official website of NSIC. There, the application form has to be downloaded. Then it has to be filled with all the crucial detail. All the documents are to be attached. Then after the filling the form, means when you have submitted all the requirement along with the documentation process, then the application will be forwarded, means a copy of application will be forwarded to the inspecting agency. After that, the inspecting agency will inspect whole of your application along with the inspection of the site. After that, after the inspection process, the inspecting agency will submit the report of inspection to the NSIC. Then if everything goes well, means the information provided by you is authentic, then the NSIC will issue the certificate for the same. The validity of NSIC registration. NSIC registration for single point registration granted to MSME remain valid for the period of 2 years, and after the expiration you need to get it renewed. But if you are going for the provisional NSIC registration, then a monetary limit is there of rupees 5 lakh, which is valid for the period of 1 year from the date of issue. So this was all for today. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.